Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is WORX WG743 Lawn Mower. If you're in the market for a lawn mower that will make cutting long grass quick and easy, the WORX WG743 40 volts power share lawn mower is the ideal choice for you. The WORX mower has a 14-inch deck. The mower has a 6-position height adjustment that can be changed with a single lever. Its 2-in-1 abilities let you mulch or bag grass clippings. It's powered by two 20-volt batteries that allow you to mow around 1/8 acre per charge. There's a battery indicator light that lets you know exactly how much power is left. This WORX cordless push mower weighs just 30 pounds, making it significantly easier for all users to manage. Overall, the WORX PowerShare walk-behind mower is a small, beginner-friendly workhorse that's ideal for smaller yards. Our second best push mower is ECOPOWER Plus LM 2021 Cordless Push Lawn Mower. ECOPOWER's best battery-powered lawn mower comes with a high-efficiency brushless motor that will last from season to season without burning out. It has a durable 20-inch steel mower deck that withstands rust and corrosion when you use it in wet conditions. The entire mower has a weather-resistant construction that locks moisture out of the motor and other important parts to keep it running at top performance, and it has a 3-in-1 feature. This mower will mulch, put the grass clippings into a bag until you're ready to empty it, or it offers a side discharge option that leaves the clippings laying in your lawn. You can adjust your preferred setting in a few short seconds. Third in our list is Greenworks 25022 Electric Corded Lawn Mower. Being a garden lover, it's not easy to maintain the garden properly. For them, the best affordable solution is to have Greenworks Lawn Mower that cuts grass uniformly using the high-efficient blades. That's why we've given as the best corded lawn mower. This electric lawn mower features 7-inch front, 10-inch rear wheels and 20-inch steel deck to maximize the usage capabilities. The 12A powerful motor is sufficient to run the device without any hassle. Depending on the requirement, you can adjust the height of the mower in 7 different positions. It has foldable handles for easy accessing. To start using the mower, simply plug in the cord to a power source and push the start button to operate in yards or lawns. It comes with 4 years manufacturing warranty. Number 4 in our best push mower 2021 list is Joe MJ401E PRO Electric Lawn Mower. If you're willing to buy a budget-friendly lawn mowers, then go with the Joe Electric Lawn Mower. It has everything starting from detachable deck, sturdy wheels, ergonomic handle, power cord, 12A motor for convenient usage and thereby improves the overall performance. The motor runs at a rate of 3,500 RPM with no load function and can be operated with a single push button. 3-position height adjustments i.e. 2.5 inches supports a maximum of 1/4 acre or less and a detachable grass catcher on the rear side to collect the grass, weeds or dried leaves present in the garden. It available in black, green, blue and red colors. The performance of Joe Electric Lawn Mower is good and best to use for small to big yards. Let's watch more. Our last pick is American Lawn Mower Push Reel Mower. If you have a small yard and want to keep costs down, then the American lawn mower company Reel Lawn Mower is your top-rated choice. It's true that Reel lawn mowers require the most work out of any push mowers, but there are certain benefits to this style of manual tool. They're inexpensive and require virtually no maintenance. American Lawn Mower Company Reel Lawn Mower boasts a 14-inch 4-blade reel that can tackle grass up to 4 inches tall. Its blades are made from heat-treated alloy steel that stays sharp longer. Its cutting height can be adjusted between 1/2 and 1/3 inches.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!